Rumor has it that two financial industry heavyweights, Swift and Ripple, are supposedly negotiating a historic deal that would alter the course of history for XRP holders. The world's financial system may enter a new age if this pact is successful. Worldwide money transfers have relied on Swift for decades, and now Ripple's technology, and its cryptocurrency XRP, may soon be a part of that infrastructure. For those who own XRP, this is fantastic news, and everybody thinking about how digital payments may evolve in the future. It is possible that XRP may play a pivotal role in the impending demise of costly and time-consuming international money transfers brought about by the merger of Swift and Ripple. Holding on to XRP? You might be waiting for this moment. With Swift and Ripple working together, XRP might become a household name and an influential figure in the international financial system. But what is the nature of the relationship between the two firms, and how does it impact the future of XRP? Now we can get down to brass tacks. Banks all over the globe have relied on Swift as their main method of cross-border money transfers for many years. The bulk of global transactions go over this reliable network, albeit it isn't perfect. When contrasted with more modern technologies such as blockchain, Swift has long been said to be inefficient, costly, and sluggish. But Ripple has been working non-stop to find solutions to these problems, using its innovative technology. With Ripple's blockchain and XRP, you can move more quickly, more cost-efficiently, and safer method of international money transfers that does away with the need for middlemen. Financial organizations and banks who are looking to speed up their transactions and cut expenses will find this to be an appealing choice. The possible merger between Swift and Ripple is relevant here. Global money transfers might undergo a dramatic shift if the two firms are able to effectively combine Swift's system with Ripple's blockchain technology. In addition to improving Swift's functionality, this agreement would give XRP the attention it deserves by providing it with a practical use. If this happens, XRP demand might skyrocket, which could lead to a price hike for XRP holders. However, the price of XRP isn't the only factor. As a result of this arrangement, Ripple and XRP will become integral parts of global financial networks, and it has the potential to revolutionize cross-border payment processes. More than just two businesses joining together, Swift and Ripple have formed a partnership. Transforming the whole banking sector is at the heart of this. Swift has been a go-to for cross-border money transfers for conventional banks and other financial organizations for quite some time. However, things are changing rapidly due to the emergence of blockchain technology. When compared to blockchain technology, Swift falls far short in terms of efficiency, security, and transparency. At its core, this revolution is Ripple's XRP, a decentralized real-time payment solution that has the potential to save banks and their clients millions of dollars in processing fees and time. Swift may enhance its own services while also hastening the banking sector's embrace of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. By incorporating Ripple's technologies into its system, this is a critical juncture for XRP holders, since the deal's approval would pave the way for new opportunities for Ripple's technology. And XRP is expected to be extensively utilized by large banks and other financial organizations. Increased interest in XRP. As it integrates into the global payment infrastructure, its value has the potential to soar. But there's more to this arrangement than just the possibility of a price increase, the possibility of a dramatic change in the global movement and exchange of currency. XRP has the potential to transform international money transfers by replacing fiat currencies as the bridge currency for cross-border payments. This deal has the potential to revolutionize the global financial system and the cryptocurrency market, therefore holders of XRP should pay close attention now. A linchpin of the international monetary system for quite some time, Swift is the principal worldwide network for transferring funds across borders. Despite this, it has been under growing pressure to adapt to new circumstances, even if it is still trusted. International payment alternatives and conventional financial systems also have their limitations. They are frequently inefficient, expensive, and not very open. Where Ripple's blockchain technology comes into play is at this point. Ripple has been hard at work developing a superior replacement for these established platforms, and XRP, a cryptocurrency that aims to make international payments quick and cheap, is an integral part of this plan. Banks normally incur far higher fees and processing times when sending money abroad, but Ripple's technology can complete transactions in seconds. If this is a fee that depends on sending an abroad payment, then payment transactions in seconds. If the two companies do end up forming a partnership, Swift will be able to incorporate Ripple's cutting-edge technology into its own framework, resulting in more efficient, quicker, and cheaper transactions. As a result, This bodes well for the international monetary system, particularly when banks and other financial organizations are always seeking for methods to enhance their services. A huge step forward in the realm of financial services, spearheaded by XRP, would be achieved if SWIFT were to effectively implement Ripple's blockchain technology. However, for XRP holders, what is the practical significance of this possible collaboration? Is a deal between Ripple and SWIFT really nearing completion? It may significantly affect the future of XRP. As XRP is integrated into the cross-border payment system utilized by some of the world's biggest financial institutions, demand for it is expected to increase. The value of XRP may rise in tandem with its demand. To use Ripple's technology for cross-border transactions, banks and other financial institutions would have to own XRP. Those with a longer time horizon who have been anticipating XRP's ascent to prominence in global finance stand to gain from this demand surge, which has the potential to cause a price increase.